Hey Pony Pals, it's Emma from Paint Pony Studios, and today I have something really fun. So a while back, I participated in one of the shows on the OMHPS website, and it was free for members of the site. You didn't have to pay. And this was the first one that they were doing ever. So for any prize winners, even if you weren't a premium member, you would receive prizes if you got an overall section, grand, or reserve. And Charlie here just so happened to pull through and get me a section reserve, which was really awesome because it got me the micro that I wanted. So today my prize has come. Here's my little box, and we're gonna do a unboxing. So this is fun. I don't know what other goodies are in here besides the micro, but we shall see. Okay, so we have, first off, our little congratulations card here from OMHPS. It says, "Congratulations, enjoy these prizes for participating in an official OMHPS show." Now, if you don't know what OMHPS is, it is the Online Model Horse Photo Shows. It's an awesome website. It's pretty much brand spanking new. And if you're into photo showing at all, it is super cool. So make sure you go and check that out because this is like so worth signing up for. We're going to be doing a show on there very soon. I'm very excited. A sticker as well of the logo. Awesome. Look at that. And then this is who did the mini. This is Canyon Spring Studio, equine art by Leah Peretz. And there's their socials. You can go and check that out. Pippa Pones. Yes, Pippa Pones. Awesome. I'm so excited. Magpie. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay, Magpie. So she is a moody little mare. Ears are pinned back, swishy tail. Adorable. Looks like she also had some prep work done to her, which, thank you. Oh my goodness. Adorable. So this is what Charlie won me for getting a section reserve, overall section reserve. Charlie, your prize. Awesome. A big thank you to Pippa Pones and everybody behind the OMHPS website. I'm on the Discord server. I appreciate everything you guys have done for us and building this website. It's absolutely wonderful. And if you guys don't have an account on there already, please go check it out. It is so cool. I'm really looking forward to doing more shows on there and hosting some shows on there too. In the meantime, you guys can check out other videos that we have done recently, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.